Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are gonna draw a bee. So for it we have to make a simple oval shape first with our pencil. Then with the sketch pen we will outline the whole oval. Now we will make a face by creating a small circle out of the oval. Just keep it simple, small strokes, because with sketch pen we can't use any eraser, that's why the simple strokes. Now we are giving the stripes. For that, two lines are drawn in the oval. Join it simply by giving the strokes again. And the body of the bee is done. Now we will make the eyes, cute bubbly eyes. Now make the two circles inside the eyes and this shape. Again two circles and the shape. Fill in with a sketch pen. Now this looks really cute. Now we'll make a small smile, cute smile of the bee. Now I'm coloring it with sketch pen. We will make the wings, small little wings of this bee. It's a simple leaf structure. Oh, mistake happened. Now we'll smoothen it with all my efforts. Now make a small little tail of the bee. Now I'm gonna write "Be happy" in a beautiful form. Now join the tail of the bee and the tail of Y in happy in a beautiful form by giving it a loop structure so that it could look beautiful. Now darkening the sides of the letter letters to make it look more beautiful. Now comes the time to color the picture. We need only one color, basically it's the yellow color, bright yellow one. Coloring the bee with this yellow color. Then we'll color the face as well with yellow. Now we will color the wings with light blue color to make it look like a transparent wings. Then I will use the shading of a light dark color blue. And here is the final picture. So hey everyone, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon in order to get notified every time I post a new video. And do join our Telegram group to learn more from us. See, the sketch pen was not looking good, so later on I colored it with a dark black crayon, just like I did with yellow. Thanks for watching.